Alrighty traders, George here. Time for a look at the week in review as well as the trades of the week. What I'll show you in this video will be the DSR model day trade performance that we saw earlier in the week in the live room, and then I'll show you a video snippet of the balance beam model setups that I used for the video call a couple days ago for gold and the S&P, and then we'll come to the live charts and I'll show you how those numbers worked out and how those trades worked out. So let's just take a quick peek over here at day trading performance. This is what happened. We had tight, choppy, rangy mornings Tuesday and Thursday, a lot of stop outs and slightly underwater performance there, and uncharacteristically all the gains came Wednesday, which was an FOMC rate decision day, which we typically don't see the gains coming that earlier in the morning, but that's what happened. Trading what you see is the name of the game, and that's what we do. Another week of positive expectancy here, doing $1,423 after commission, a little lower win percentage down to 44%, partly contributed to by the tight chop here, but nevertheless a great week there, $1,423 after commission, all driven off of the DSR model here and trading what we see. Okay, always the key message to take away, gang. Now let's take a step back in time and look at the video call for the balance beam setups. We'll be long at 68 quarters and looking for 75s, 89s, and 99s, and we'll get short at 58.50, looking for a bigger breakdown to 39, 10s, and then to 1972s for a big runaway number 3. Consider a $300 risk per contract. Look to re-enter plus or minus a tick beyond the original entry values, and for the long stops, get those to plus 1 point when target 1 is hit. If we break down to the short side, get your stops to break even when we hit 2050. We're going to look to hit 1168 10s to get long, and then we've got 75 40, 84 30s, and 99 80 to the upside. It's got to break down for us to get short. 62.40 to enter there, and we're going to look for 46.60, 16 10s, and then 1130. Now, again, think of a $300 risk per contract, re-enter plus or minus a tick beyond the original entry value, and for the long stops, go to break even if 1171 is hit. All right. Now, to the short side, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going in the money. If we hit 1156, move your stop down to 1160, so we'll be plus $2.40 on that short side trade. Alright, so those were the balance beam setups that you saw just a couple days ago. Here's the follow through. For the S&P, same chart, drilled down. We have a long that was triggered that moved in favor to hit target 1. That booked 7.5 points. We have the short triggered here. That gets stopped out, minus 6 points. That short is triggered again, 1 tick lower than the entry, as mentioned in the video. That's also stopped out, minus 6. And then we have a long that goes well in favor, easily tagging target 2, which is another 21.25 points. So that puts up 16.75 points there, $837.50 per contract. Here's what gold looks like. Same chart, drilled down. The first trade here, a long in favor, $7.30 booked. Target 1 hit. Actually got pretty darn close to target 2, but I'm just booking to target 1 here for the tally. The short triggered in favor, stops to plus 240, then taken out. So $2.40 gain there. The reset short, 1 tick lower than the initial short entry here, as mentioned in the video. That goes well in favor. Easily tags this big target 1 down here, 1146.60. That puts on another $15.70. We're at $25.40, $2,540 per contract. Okay. So the way that looks on our balance beam spreadsheet here is these trades right there. Okay, so gold put up the 3 winners. The S&P had 2 winners, 2 losers. All in all, up $3,377.50 there on those 7 trades. All right, gang. Everything is driven off of the balance beam model or the DSR model, and it's all visual, trading what we see. Use the link at the bottom of the video. You're going to use that to be in the live room next Tuesday through Thursday, where you can watch me day trade these markets as well as see me use the balance beam model to come up with new trade setups like you've seen here on the S&P and gold. So there's your wrap up for the week. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you back in the live room.